Wow, folks, good morning, good morning, good morning. You know, if you are just new here, this is Brother Sharif. And in today's episode, I'm doing this along with my mommy, my Rose. Yes. You know, they have been exposed. Folks, you know, probably you've been watching, you've been following, and Brother Sharif been saying, oh, my mommy, my Rose, my Rose. So today finally made her impressing. She's my Rose. Okay, tell me a little bit about yourself today.
I'm Mrs. Rose Moefe, mother of many children, and today is my anniversary, 25 years of marriage.
25 years?
Yes.
My goodness. Wow. Folks, imagine being married for 25 years. I have gone 0 years.
Grace for me will join you soon.
By God's grace, by God's grace. So today, folks, we are going to have our anniversary. But no copyright music. Music is playing back there. People are entertaining themselves. So yeah, today they are ready, right? So it's like I'm using this. So this is rare, Ellie. I'm already there, right? So folks, this is a kitchen, and you'll see a lot of things. So should make the potato green. And here is another sauce coming up.
Oh yes. Very delicious.
Oh, that's a goat soup, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're making that soup. Wow, that's an onion lady.
We are like this. For 9.
Oh, for 9, it's all right. So what's this?
This is
This is right? Okay. So everything will go here?
No, not all.
Not all, right? Okay. So folks, this community is literally is a river view, and that's a big river back there. Yes. And this is sand. Why you cover it with plastic? Okay, so at least to keep the heat, right?
Yes.
And the heat help in the process of making it to be soft, right? Okay. Yeah, folks, for those of you that you know this is the African kitchen, and they are telling you probably if you come down to Africa, and this is how you make your food. Yeah. But some people don't do this one, right?
Yes. They're going to like the part for the top. Because the top have little space.
Okay.
So if you don't put the plastic there, it will get hard for the rest they could do. Like that, over it will be the little bit seed will be in the rest.
Oh, I like that explanation. Folks, they are teaching you how to cook.
That space, the part that have space.
Okay, this one here.
Yeah, so the heat, it can really keep the heat. They put the plastic there, when the heat will be kept on. So the food can.
You got smartphone?
Yeah.
So you can follow me? You watch yourself later on?
Okay.
So you waiting for the water to get dry?
Yeah, we want the water to dry first, for the oil come up to be able to fry the greens.
Ah.
What size? Yeah, I know. We want to go with seasoning the greens first. We fry.
So it means that you...
We season the greens in the top first with the bitter and other stuff then. We fry it.
Your folks are... This is our Liberian kitchen. For those that don't know how to prepare fried grain.
You wash the grain. You put it
she's
in
like
the top,
educating you now.
and then you use the rub the seasoning on it. You before frying the greens, you fry the onion first, and you put the greens in the oil. When the greens go down, you put the pepper inside it to fry good.
Wow, Ellie, you feel like I want to cook again? So folks, this is our kitchen, and they are our strong ladies. And today, the anniversary, we are going to celebrate the anniversary. Seriously, seriously. From here, just stay tuned, stay in your comfort zone, and you're going to enjoy every bit of. Oh, what's that? What's that? What is that?
African Combination Society.
African Combination Society. What do you mean?
Fair play.
The fair play. Yeah, folks. You know, I like this community, and look at here, and this is a river view. So I won't have copyright on music. You know, music is playing back there. So I'm just take you around a bit, and you're gonna see everything here. And imagine this land was just bought quite recently, according to Brother Paul. Yeah, Brother Paul Murphy. This is Brother Paul Murphy home. He came up from the States, and they were like, Brother Sherry, you need to come, you need to be here with us. And we are going to have like our marriage anniversary. Imagine you being married for 25 years, 25 good years. Wow. I have gone 0 years. 0 years. Yeah, no experience. And now imagine you being, my Rose being in this for 25 years. Wow. She's my Rose, and she's really been nice. This is one of the nice family that, you know, we met again. Right, since we came, they've been like, oh brother, you don't have to go, you need to stay here. We have like our anniversary right in your present, and from there you can embark on your journey back to Lofa.